All right, hello traders. Welcome back. It is June 4th, 2024. Let's get into it for today. And before we get started, I want to talk today about crafting the perfect trading team. So we're going to talk about building your trading team. Yes, maybe I look a little scruffy. I don't know if I want to grow a beard or not, but either way, it's all good. So if you can get past that, let's get into it. So, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to tackle a topic that can either make or break your trading journey, and that's building the perfect trading team. So whether you're a solo trader and just starting out, or you're a seasoned veteran, having the right people by your side can make all the difference between consistency and having success, and this having a lot of ups and downs that you have to overcome and becoming frustrated and potentially dropping out. So in this video, I'm going to be your guide to crafting the ultimate trading team. So let's start off talking about the importance of teamwork. Face it, the financial markets are complex trading animals. There's always a mountain of info to go through and analyze. There's trends to identify. There's strategies to consider. There's hedging. There's risk management. There's sizing. All of those things need to be taken into it. And really, one person can't be an expert on everything. And if you think you are an expert on everything, you're suffering from what I call expert delusion syndrome, which is someone who thinks they know it all and isn't willing to listen to what anyone else has to say. Okay. This is where your well-rounded trading team comes in. So by bringing together individuals that have different skill sets and different expertise, you're going to create a synergistic force that can hopefully tackle any market challenges that may be out there. So building your team. So some of the key roles. What exactly does a trading team look like? And am I going to be sitting here trading and there's 4 people sitting next to me helping me? No, you're not going to have a bunch of people on your payroll, but these are the people you want to surround yourself with. And it really depends on your specific trading goals and your style. However, there's some core roles that you really need to have. The first role would be what I would consider the technical analyst. And this person maybe lives and breathes charts, deciphers technical indicators and market patterns, and really they're there to hopefully identify some potential opportunities. Well, Tom, if you're trading, options, I was told that you don't need to even look at the charts, you just look at the probabilities. Well, yes. However, I do think understanding the trend and the direction and the momentum can give you a little bit of an edge. I'm not saying it's a gigantic edge, but if it gives you a little bit of an edge that can improve your trading 1, 2, 5% or something like that, I think it pays off. So you really should have somebody who's there to give you great ideas and get you started on that goal. The next person is what I would call the risk manager. And this is someone who's a cool-headed person that keeps everybody grounded. They assess potential risks for each trade. They ensure that your strategies stay within acceptable risk parameters. It's that person on your shoulder, that little talking head on your shoulder, that says, don't do it, don't do it, it's too risky. Okay, follow your plan. Okay. You need someone that's going to keep you grounded. Hopefully, I think I fill that role for a lot of people. Try to keep them grounded, although maybe some people think that I'm too risky. Who knows? Okay. The next role is the mentor. And this is maybe where I try to help people as much as possible. I've been trading for 38 years now. And really, for a mentor, you're looking for someone who's going to help guide you through the ups and downs, helps you maintain discipline, helps you create and follow your trading plan, someone you can bounce ideas off of and ask questions of. Okay. I think, in our Discord service, I think myself and Igor and Candy and Gabe, and there's like several other members in there as well. Those people can all serve as your mentor, but you should find someone who has been there, done that, that you can ask questions of so that you can help put your plan together. Hope that makes sense. Okay. And then there's the trader, which is hopefully you. You're the one making those financial decisions, those final decisions. You're executing your trades, and based upon your team's combined analysis. So understanding that in the end, it's coming down to you. So this is just a basic framework. It gives you a way to start to put together maybe that team loosely. Do you have to hire people? Well, not necessarily, but to me, I think you should potentially look to invest in bringing some of these types of people on. If you are going to go do electricity and do all the electrical work in your house, would you just start cutting wires and sticking them together? Okay, or would you either read, learn, or potentially hire someone that's done it that can help you, and you can maybe learn from them? If you're building a deck, do you build it by yourself, or do you potentially hire some other people that you can do it together with? Or maybe you bring a friend over and they help you put it together. But you really want to find your perfect players, and you want to find people, that have that can really work together as a team for you. So building that team goes beyond just having those skills. Some of the characteristics you want to consider is expertise. It's a no-brainer. Your team members should have great understanding of the specific area within the trading world that you're trading. Options, stocks, futures, whatever it might be. Reliability. The markets can be unpredictable, so you need people that you can count on to perform under pressure and deliver constantly for you. Okay? And then compatibility, and this is, I think, where things might get interesting. They don't have to be a bunch of yes men or yes women. Okay? Having diverse personalities and trading styles can be a great advantage, but you should also have a general sense of respect and open communication within that team. Okay. But if you want someone who's just going to say, yeah, do it, yeah, do it, yeah, do it, yeah, you're good, you're great, you're fantastic. Okay. I want to surround myself with people that are going to challenge me and make me better. Okay. And then the secret ingredient here is just balancing your team. So we mentioned compatibility here, but that leads us to the ultimate secret of crafting a team, and that is balance. The yin and the yang. You want a healthy mix of active traders who can identify maybe potential opportunities, and then cautious strategists that are going to help ensure that well-rounded approach, minimize your risks for people. It doesn't mean you should miss out on profitable opportunities, okay? But you also got to balance that with putting trades on within acceptable risk parameters for you. So anyway, building the perfect team takes time, takes effort, takes a keen eye for talent, but the rewards can be immense. So I've always agreed with the old adage, if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Surrounding yourself with the right people can not only improve your trading, but makes the whole experience more enjoyable. In our Discord service, we try to give you access to a lot of really smart people. And it's great to see, yeah, a new all-time high, I had a great week, I had a great month, and yada, 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 and they're posting wins. That's all nice, okay? But when it comes down to it is, are these people helping you get better? Trading in a group will make you absolutely better. If you think, oh, I don't want to pay, I get all of it here for free on YouTube, okay? You've got closed, fixed mindset thinking. You're not open to what the possibilities are of working with a really great team of people, okay, that are going to put things together. Sure, I share lots on YouTube, and there's plenty of other people that share great things on YouTube as well. However, they're not giving you everything for free that they do. And that's really where the learning happens. There's always a catch, okay? And everybody's trying to sell something, and I'm giving you a lot of free information, but I do hold some things back for our members as well. Obviously, we want to make them successful. They're paying, and that's really where we want to help people out. But goal for you is, can you master one new thing a day that's going to help you become better? Okay. It's not, Bruce Lee, I think, said, I don't fear, the man who can do 1,000 things right. It's the man who practices the same kick 1,000 times, or something along those lines. Well, essentially, it's practicing over and over. I'm sure you'll correct me on that quote. Okay. But really, the goal is, are you surrounding yourself with the right people out there that are going to make you successful? Anyway, based on that, we had a great session in Discord today with Andy, one of our newest contributors, one of our members who's been posting a lot of stuff, and we made him a full contributor on the channel. So now you're getting just another voice someone who gives you a little different perspective than myself or Timur or Igor or Candy or Gabe, or Rob or Eddie or Stacy. So we're trying to give you a lot of different people to learn from, as well as the members. So you can check that out. And one of the things I want to take a look at, though, is let's just look at how we did for the day, because the proof in the end is really in the pudding here. We ended the day 519 on the delta. That puts us at 0.1%, very delta neutral, which is fantastic. 1723 is our theta, 0.34%, awesome as well. Great theta, booking $1,700 a day in theta decay. Net lick ended up at 548 in the Income Navigator account. BP usage popped up a little bit, and most of this BP usage increase over the last 3 or 4 sessions has all been due to oil. Oil's been dropping, volatility in oil, we're heavy in oil. It's impacting our volatility, which puts us at about a 64.9, almost 65% BP use. We're not putting on any new trades except for one campaign trade yesterday that will sit there. I'm not that worried about where we are. I'm not going to put on new trades anyway, except for that one in this particular account. We will stick to our adage that once we're over 50, we're going to lock it down. No more discretionary trades, no more opportunistic trades until things calm down. But it's all really in oil. We did book $440 worth of profit today. We'll wrap up with that today. We had 2 0 DTE trades. The first one was a call spread in ES. So in the ES futures, we did one early this morning, way before the markets opened. We put this on for a 50% winner, booked $240 there. And then once the markets did open, we dropped another SPX call spread in here, and we booked that for a 50% winner as well. So we booked $440 on the session today, gives us $640 on the month in the first couple trading sessions. So while we haven't closed much else except for that XL112 trade here, we're still going to earn a little bit each day through some of the other strategies. So it's all about, again, having different strategies, having different things that can make you successful out there. Look to build your trading team. Who's helping you? Okay. Who do you rely on? Who can you bounce questions off of? Okay. Who do you trust? Okay. I don't trust anybody on the internet. Okay. But I do trust a lot of the people that I've built in my inner circle and people that we know. And again, I rely on other people for mentors. I look for smart people out there to surround myself with, great traders, okay, that have been doing this a long time with a great successful track record, people that have been through the wars of trading and can really help you. So if you like this video, click the like button down below. Could really use your help growing this channel. If you're not a subscriber to the YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, get all the alerts, get all of the new updates. And if this is valuable to you, then go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll see you in trading tomorrow. If you're interested in the Discord channel, read down in the description. You can try out a link there. Use the code KING, get a discount on the first month of trading, and see how we're doing. See if you like the group. See if you like the people you're surrounding yourself with. But put that team together and build your trading team. Enjoy the rest of the evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.